Hello. Hi guys, welcome back for today's video, and we're going to compare two exchange, which is bidfi.com and tidex.com. So introduce muna tayo. Ano si bidfi and ano si tidex? So parehas po silang crypto exchange na nag-o-offer ng mga different product. So, BidFi, build your dream finance. Buy and sell, and marami pang other altcoins na pwede nating ibenta or i-trade dito kay BidFi. And sa Tidex Exchange naman, ang kanilang slogan dito is, it's time to get into crypto. Join the world's top crypto exchange and metaverse ecosystem. Okay, meron sila ditong spot trading, earn system, and TDX token. And ito po yung kanilang mga media partners. Okay, marami-rami din. So, punta naman tayo sa kanilang exchange. And sa exchange naman din ni BidFi, which is yung kanyang futures trading. So, first, spot trading muna. Okay, magkasama na yung spot trading nila and futures trading dito sa kumbaga spot and margin lang. So yun lang yung pamimilian natin dito, So eto po yung appearance ni Tidex Exchange, ang kanyang appearance. And sa BidFi naman is eto. I-dark lang natin, So BidFi spot trading, BidFi offers 400 plus spot trading pair, and dito sa Tidex is, let's check how many coins they offer. So eto pala, so kokonti lang, bilangan natin 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tapos 415, almost 30 plus spot trading pairs lang yung ino-offer dito ni Tidex Exchange. Pero sa BidFi, 400 plus spot trading pair ang kanilang ino-offer. And in terms sa futures trading, okay, once again, Tidex offers up to 3 times leverage only, while BidFi offers up to 200x. So napakalaki po ng diferensya kung tayo ay, let's say, mag-scalp tayo. So sa 3 times leverage, hindi naman tayo makakapag-scalping, lalo na kung yung budget natin per trade is maliit lang. And dito sa BidFi, even $10 you can start your trading, and you can choose 100x or up to 200x. However, the higher leverage is the higher risk and also higher reward. So I suggest, please manage your risk if you're using 200x leverage. So dito naman sa Tidex, yun nga, up to 3x lang siya. So ayun lang, hindi tayo makakapag scalping dito. Pwede siguro malaki yung budget natin, pero yun nga. And dito naman sa kanilang buy crypto, nag-o-offer din sila ng mga gamit ang buy crypto gamit ang ating credit card. So ayan. So dito naman sa BidFi, they also offer buy and sell crypto via your Visa or Mastercard. Meron din silang SEPA transfer, Apple Pay and Google Pay. Yun naman yung maganda doon, Pero kung hindi naman ganun kalakihan yung bibilhin nyo na crypto assets and may other options naman kayo like other exchange, you can deposit para mas makatipid-tipid tayo sa transaction fee. And also BidFi offer welcome rewards. So check natin dito si tidex.com kung meron silang ino-offer na rewards. Ang kagandahan lang sa kanila dito, meron silang NFT. Pero in terms of welcome rewards, I don't see any rewards here for new users. And sa BidFi naman, meron silang ino-offer dito na mga trading perpetual coupon sa mga simpleng task lang ito, like deposit, start trade, feedback, deposit again gamit yung ating Visa or Mastercard, tapos bumili tayo ng coin, let's say USDT, sa Bansha or Transact, makaka-receive po tayo ng 10% ng ating i-deposit. And meron din naman sa crypto reward, let's say for example galing sa ibang exchange, makaka-receive din tayo ng 10% ng ating deposit. Sa partners naman, sa partnership, so kung gusto nyo mag-affiliate sa BidFi, pwede BidFi offers up to 70% of referral commission. So mataas na yon. And meron din silang salary program. Yun naman yung maganda doon, And yun nga, silipin pa natin yung kanyang earn system. Meron ding si Tidex, meron naman din siyang staking. Staking ang alam ko sa ganito So eto, meron sila staking pero limited lang din yung coins. And let's go back to BidFi. Also BidFi have this partner program, which is the BidFi Army. Alam nyo guys, ang BidFi Army, you can do task and earn some dollars. It's like a freelance job, So the more tasks you finish or complete, you will get rewarded. Pwedeng USDT, trading bonus, sometimes cash. Okay, so ayun lang. You can decide guys what platform you will use on your trading journey, So Tidex and BidFi, So ayun, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learn something from it. And happy trading and good night to all. Once again, BidFi and Tidex Exchange, it's up to you guys what platform you will use on your trading journey. That's it for today's. Thank you.